There's a Gremlin landing right behind you. We're gonna crash at Pearland. Yeah, check.
Roger, 32378, final 32 Pearland.
Pearland traffic is coming in 7 CLD to base. 2 mile left station, maintain 2000, final 9 Radio check.
Loud and clear.
Pearland traffic is coming in 7 CLD to base. Short final from 324, full stop Pearland. There's a Gremlin landing right behind you. Hold that kick quickly. They're about to hit you. We're gonna crash at Pearland.
Roger, 32378, left downwind 32 Pearland.
There's airplanes on the runway. Actually, I can't tell if they're on the runway. Regardless, they just crashed, so I don't know if it's safe to land.
Alright, got it. We'll exit the pattern.
Pearland traffic, this is the Pearland Unicom. Runway 1432 is now shut down. Traffic must divert or stay in the pattern. There are no landings. Pearland.
Yeah, good. They have the runway shut down, right?
Yeah, runway's shut down. 2 aircraft just crashed. Yeah, I'm canceling. I'm parking.
Affirmative.